Then, as the election season, let's talk about the election predictions of Delhi. Well, the exit poll for the 2025 Delhi Assembly elections predicted that this year BJP will gain a majority in the Legislative Assembly and will pull off a major upset. While on the other hand, Arvind Kejriwal's party, Aam Aadmi Party, will likely not get another term, predicted pollsters. And the majority mark for the 70-seat Delhi Assembly is 36, and the result of this elections will be declared on February 8th. And by 5 p.m. on February 5th, the voter turnover was reported at 57.8%, and it will likely go higher. And some sources also predicted the exit polls for that. First comes the first source is the poll of polls, which predicted that this year Aam Aadmi Party will get 26 seats, while BJP will get 43 seats, followed by Congress getting one. The number second source, Mattress. It predicted that this year Aam Aadmi Party will get around 32 to 37 seats, while BJP will get 35 to 40 seats, followed by Congress getting either 0 or 1 seat. The number third source, JVC poll. It predicted that AAP, Aam Aadmi Party, will get 22 to 31 seats, and BJP 39 to 45, followed by Congress 0 to 2. The number 4, People's Plus Kodema. It predicted that this year Aam Aadmi Party will only get 10 to 19 seats, followed by BJP getting 51 to 60 and Congress getting a 0. The number 5, People's Insight. It predicted that Aam Aadmi Party this year will get 25 to 29 seats, followed by BJP getting 40 to 44 and Congress getting either 0 or 1. The number 6, P-Mark. It predicted that this year Aam Aadmi Party will get 21 to 31 seats, followed by BJP 39 to 49 and Congress either 0 or 1. The number 7th source is Chanakya Strategies. It predicted that Aam Aadmi Party will get 25 to 28 seats, followed by BJP 39 to 44 and Congress either 2 or either 3 seats. The number 8 source, Poll Diary. It predicted that Aam Aadmi Party will get 18 to 25 seats, followed by BJP 42 to 50 and Congress either 0 to 2. The number 9th and the last source, Devi Research. It predicted that Aam Aadmi Party will get 26 to 34 seats and BJP 36 to 44, followed by a Congress at 0. Well, these were all only predictions, and if these predictions come true for BJP, it would be significant